Hello viewers, this lecture is about sensors. Sensors are input devices which read or measure physical properties such as temperature, pressure, acidity, and so on. Real data is analog in nature. This means that it is constantly changing and does not have a discrete value, like in the case of digital data, which is binary and it is discrete. Analog data usually requires some form of interpretation. For example, the temperature shown on a mercury thermometer requires the user to look at the height of the mercury to work out the temperature. The temperature, therefore, can have an infinite number of values depending on the precision of how the height of the mercury is measured. Equally, an analog clock requires the user to look at the hands of the on the clock face. The area swept out by the hands allow the number of hours and minutes to be interpreted. There are many other examples. Computers cannot make use of any sense of these physical quantities, and the data needs to be converted into the digital format. This is usually achieved by an analog to digital converter, which is also called ADC. This device converts physical values into discrete digital values. So, the sensors are the devices made to capture natural data. Natural data or quantities are continuous in nature. They're also called analog. On contrary, computer makes use of digital data, which is discrete in nature. To convert from analog to digital, from a converter device is used called ADC. So there are a number of sensors used. Let's say there is this temperature sensor. It controls it may be used to control central heating system, control or monitor a chemical process, control or monitor temperature in a greenhouse. Then we have got humidity or moisture sensor that may use to control monitor moisture or humidity levels in soil, in air, in a greenhouse, or monitor dampness levels in an industrial application. For example, monitor moisture in paint spray, both in a car factory. Booth in a car factory. Then we have got light sensors. Switch street lighting on at night and off during the day. It can be used. Monitor control light levels in the greenhouse. Switch on car headlights when it gets dark. They can be used. And then we have got infrared or motion sensors. They can be used to turn on windscreen wipers on a car when it rains, or detect an intruder in a burglar alarm system, count people entering or leaving a building. Then we have got pressure sensor. Pressure sensors can be used to detect intruders in a burglar alarm system, check weight, such as the weight of a vehicle or a person, or you might have seen these weighing scales on grocery shops. They can be used to monitor and control a process where gas pressure is important. And then we have got gas. Monitor pollution levels in the river or air, measures O2 and CO2 levels in the greenhouse, check for CO2 or NO2 leaks in power station. Then we may have pH sensor. It may be used to monitor and control acidity or alkalinity levels in soil, monitor pollution in rivers. And then we have got magnetic field, detects changes in the cell phones, CD players, and so on. And it may be used in anti-lock braking system, ABS in motor vehicles. And then we have got pressure sensor, acoustic sensors as well. Acoustic sensors can be used to pick up noise levels such as footsteps or breaking glass in a burglar alarm system, or they can be used to detect noise of liquids dripping in a pipe. Sound or acoustic. Sensors are used in both monitoring and control applications, and there is a separate topic for monitoring and control. please do visit these videos and find that topic to watch for. Thank you very much.